Hello everybody. In this video we'll be learning what is cell. As you all know that cell is the basic unit of life. We have studied about it. In this video we will be learning cell in detail. So we will start now. What is cell? Cell is a structural and functional unit of life. It means all the organisms in this world are composed of cell. Whatever we are doing, whatever we are made up of, it is cell. So it's this basic structure and functional unit of life. All the organisms contains many types of cells. Okay, all the organisms like plants, animals, and any other organisms, that all are composed of cells. We used to call it also the building block of life because they build us. They build all the living organisms. Like human. Human is almost uh, contains billions, 100 billions of cells. So there are two main types of cells. There are many types of cells, but basically, if we divide cell into two types, we will divide into plant and animal cells. In this video, we will be learning the plant cell first. Here's the chart available for you: main functions, parts, structures. So we'll be starting with the main function. You can see the diagram here also. This is a diagram of the plant cell. A typical plant cell diagram is present here. So if you see, main parts are written here. The first part is the cell wall. What is cell wall? If you can see here, there are two basic uh, membranes are there surrounding the cell. It is not clear in the video. Let me show you. We can draw some drawing here as well. Now see, this is the outer layer, the outer membrane, and this is the inner membrane, which is just at the little distance from the main membrane. So there are two basic membranes surrounding the plant cell. One is cell wall, which is the outermost boundary, and what is the function of it? It protects bursting. It protects the cell from bursting. What are the cases with cell burst? We will discuss this later, but keep in mind that it protects bursting. It is fully permeable. Permeable means it allows every substance to pass in. Whatever it is, when you put a cell into the water or in some other liquid, it will pass through the cell wall easily. Cell wall will not stop any substance. It will allow every substance to go into the cell. That's what we mean by the fully permeable membrane. The structure, it is the outermost boundary, and it is a hard, rigid structure that is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a hard component and it is a rigid structure. That's why it's protect bursting. Second one is cell membrane. When we see cell membrane, the function is it is semi-permeable. Semi-permeable means it is only allows some certain substances to pass through. For example, if you are putting water and salt in a solution and then adding cell to it, only water will pass through it. It will not allow salt to come inside the cell. It will only allow water. So that's why it is called semi-permeable membrane. It will only allow certain materials to pass through. And it is flexible to little extent, not very much flexible, but to little extent it is flexible enough. It is the inner membrane. The structure is almost the same like the oval shape, or you can say the rectangular shape. Now we see the third one is nucleus. Nucleus is present here. You see the purple diagram, the purple structure here. So the nucleus is the control center of the cell. Nucleus is also called the control center of the cell because it controls all the activities and functions of the cells. Coming in of water, moving out of water, So how much water has to be sustained in it. It controls all the activities in the cells, all the functions of the cells. The structure of it is rounded and spherical in shape, as you can see here. The next one is chloroplast. Chloroplast, the structure you can see in the diagram, there are the green parts are there, the oval shaped green structure. These are chloroplast. They contain a special pigment called chlorophyll, which is green in color. That's why the chloroplasts are green shown here. So they are small oval shaped bodies. Chloroplasts are small oval shaped bodies that contains chlorophyll inside, which gives plant the green color as well, you can say. There are many other functions of chlorophyll are there, but we will be discussing it later. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm keeps cell organelles at their place. The structure you see here, that the sky blue color is present here. It is all cytoplasm. Cell is not empty, it is filled with the cytoplasm, a transparent jelly-like fluid, which keeps cell organelles at their place. If cytoplasm would not be there, so the cell organelles moved here and there, then cell cannot perform their functions. Vacuole. The next part is vacuole. Vacuole contains minerals and water. This is the white body. This is the vacuole. This is a larger. If we have a large vacuole in plant cells, the vacuole is too large. But in animal cell, it is different. But in plant cell, the vacuole it has a large vacuole. It has not particular shape. It depends on it how much fluid or sap into it. It contains sap. Sap, the mixture of the minerals and water is called sap, which is present inside the vacuole. So this is what plant cell is all about. If you have any question, you can write in the comments. Thank you.